गुड मॉर्निंग फैम, डे 3 फ्रॉम दुबई. आज डैड का कॉन्फ्रेंस है, सो वी नीड टू हेड फॉर दैट. वी गोइंग टू सी हिम गेट एन अवार्ड. सो प्राउड चिल्ड्रन. एंड फटाफट निकलते हैं. आई एम गोना सी व्हाट आई कैन व्लॉग, व्हाट आई कांट व्लॉग. इसमें मैं बाद में थोड़ा कंटेंट भी शूट करूंगा होपफुली. सो लेट्स सी हाउ द डे गोज. बट फटाफट अभी के लिए वी नीड टू हेड for the conference, which is at Intercontinental at his hotel, and let's see how the day goes from there. And boys and girls, this is the look for the day. Nice black blazer, a little cleavage, and a nice black shirt on the inside. This is what we are going with for the conference. मस्त लग रहा है मेरे हिसाब से. I'm really happy with the look, paired with of course the Hermes watch face and the band. मेरे हिसाब से मस्त लग रहा है. I really love the look at the moment. And इसमें अगर थोड़े से ऐसे कुछ शूट कर पाए तो बढ़िया लगेगा. All right fam, that is the look for the day. Full black blazer, black shirt, going with formal shoes, pants, and of course pairing it up with the favorite hexagonal frames. I quite like it. Dad के conference के लिए I think this is perfect. We have to head off to Intercontinental right now, जहाँ पे डैड रह रहे. एंड धनाधन जाना है क्योंकि पप्पा को अवार्ड मिल रहा है एंड वी हैव टू बी देयर फॉर हिम एनी हाउ. सो आई थिंक वी गोना रश फॉर इट, मेक अ रन फॉर इट. यू रेडी?
ऑलमोस्ट.
ओके, उबर बुक करते हैं, फटाफट भागते हैं एंड उसके बाद देखेंगे आगे दिन. ऑल राइट बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स, हेडिंग ऑफ फॉर द इवेंट. White Lexus is coming to pick us up. That's the funny thing about other countries, that the Lexus in India is a super luxury sedan and here it's used as a cab. That is the pickup. Yalla habibi, let me get this. Oh shit. Yeah. Oh pretty. Would you please handle that? Thank you. Good morning, yes.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me.
We are a little late, though. We need to rush for the event. क्योंकि बैग का भी कुछ solution निकालना है. We may put it at the concierge and just head straight into the event. There's no time for anything else. And we definitely don't want to miss, him receiving the award. So let's see. They look pretty. थोड़ी ऐसे फटी पड़ी है because भगानी पड़ेगी. We don't really have an option. And we definitely want to be there like in time. So
If all the things you know.
I don't want to miss it.
So next time listen when I tell you.
Tell me what.
Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. Why do I like this? Oh, I like the all blacked out rain. See that one?
How are you being able to focus on that right now?
It is what it is now.
It is what
I mean,
it is.
yeah.
Well, not it is what it is.
It is what it is. Thank you so much. Thank you. Shall we? This one, that one? Okay. Yep, let's go.
So belly that all of you fall for it, and you think I have a fantastic life. Come to my house. I eat a lot and still cover up how much I've eaten. Workspace digital. Now I need to go there. That's a fantastic. All of you have been posting about Dubai. People have come from the US here, right? Is it to boost yourself, Krishna? Thanks for coming live to listen to this talk. Right? Gen Z and Gen Alpha, they are called digital natives. And
I would like to invite Percy Gaswala of the Gaswala Visions Foundation, who's science from the University of Mumbai and the Fellowship of International Federation of Eye and Tissue Banks in Baltimore, USA.
we enjoy the decor, the lights, the beautiful ambience that we sit in this ballroom. My question is, what if you could not see? There are plenty of people back in India who do have a chance to see. So that's where our foundation kicks in. We restore vision to the underprivileged, to the abandoned poor in 3 states in India using the alternate site restoration model. So this award endorses the fact that you can have alternate models, you can establish them and use it for betterment of society.
Done with conference. Papa's won award. Papa's won award. Look at the view. Lovely. Awards done. Now what? Maybe a little bhojan. Then dad will go to sleep, and we'll sort of, what do we call it? Awards. इतना proud लग रहा है. भाई lunch के views देखो. Unreal. Are you having soup or just like go to the?
It's non.
Just put the.
Which one? This one?
Yeah, dump soup. Thank you Lord.
Fitness over.
Your boy is going super healthy. She's going super unhealthy as always.
What is he eating? Salad with dal makhani?
Salad, dal makhani, and lentils. It's good, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Yep. Done. Yeah. Let's go. Full protein loaded.
Now that he's
ये होता है बॉडी. अभी दिल्ली जाके बॉडी बनाएंगे. ठीक है रहा है बॉडी. Start with the junk up. Start with the junk.
Shivani? Yes. Those are my kids.
Hi.
Hi, how are you, Shivani?
Yeah, that's
Nice to meet you.
Ashley.
Arish.
Nice to meet you guys. It was
Likewise.
lovely of you guys to join him. He was very excited for this. Goes
I
without
know.
saying.
Yeah.
You were more excited than I was.
Sorry.
You want cauliflower instead of broccoli?
No.
Hey, sorry, sorry.
What?
Sorry.
What?
That's what you say. Sorry. Sorry. Take cauliflower.
What is that?
Cauliflower.
Why?
Have it. You are very unhealthy,
Give.
that's why. Take it, no?
No, I'm not gonna take it. Don't put it in my mouth. Weirdo.
That's what she said.
ऑलराइट बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स, चाय कॉफ़ी सब हो गई, खाना खा लिया. थोड़ा सा अभी हम लोग वाटर फ्रंट पे यहीं पे शूट करेंगे पीछे. आई एम वेटिंग ऑन सिस बाहर आने को, एंड लेट्स सी इफ वी कैन लाइक शूट अ लिटिल कंटेंट रील समथिंग लाइक दैट.
If all the things you never show, there are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your
ऑलराइट बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स, दीदी की मेहनत काम आई है एज ऑलवेज, हमेशा की तरह. एंड वी शॉट अगेंस्ट दिस ब्यूटीफुल व्यू. इसके सारे रील्स आपको इंस्टा पे दिखेंगे और मेरे फेवरेट गानों के साथ दिखेंगे. दिमाग होगा अपने तो आप समझ ही जाओगे. बट लुक एट दैट ब्यूटीफुल व्यू एट द बैक. तो दिस इज़ वेयर वी टेकन ऑल आवर शॉट्स. बहुत मज़ा आया, बहुत मस्त शॉट्स आए जो इंस्टाग्राम पे दिखेंगे. सब्सक्राइब फॉलो नहीं किया है वहाँ पे तो वो भी कर लो, एंड चेक आउट द व्यू.
There are the things I want to know. Secrets.
ऑलराइट बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स, दैट इज़ इट. हालत हो गई है. एक तो आज थोड़ी तबीयत डाउन थी, नाक पूरा ब्लॉक्ड है, गला मतलब थोड़ा ऑफ था. बट वी मैनेज टू गेट व्हाट वी गॉट. बैक टू द होटल, कुछ खाते पीते हैं एंड वील हेड बैक. बट येस, बाय बाय टू दिस ब्यूटीफुल व्यू. अंटिल नेक्स्ट टाइम, होपफुली जल्द होगा, एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट वी कैन मेक आउट ऑफ इट. थैंक यू टू दीदी वंस अगेन, लुकिंग ऑल प्रिटी. सो येस, अभी होटल जाते कुछ चाय नाश्ता कुछ करते. बैटरी 16% पे, तो आई डोंट नो इसके आगे मैं कितना व्लॉग कर पाऊँगा अंटिल आई चार्ज इट अगेन. See you. Yeah. See you. Yep. See you. Bye bye.
I'll just put the bag flat.
Yeah, full flat.
With your blazer.
Huh?
Blazer.
Dude, you think that matters right now? Oh, only if you guys saw the hard work that goes behind it, boys. Y'all have no clue.
Okay, don't make vlog of it. Oh shit, it's
Chill, Rama. Your window's open, bro. What are you doing?
Not making-
What is this? What is this chapri?
I'm gonna walk barefoot into the hotel.
Oh God, man, no. Come on.
Embarrassed fuck that you are.
No way in hell, dude. Come on.
Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there too.
Yes. Thank you.
Have a good day, sir.
Thank you. You too.
Welcome.
Totoya. No, but that's still Totoya. भाइयों बैक टू आवर रूम जैसे तैसे वाट लगी पड़ी है हेयर बैंड निकाल दिया है हम लोग आराम कर रहे हालत नहीं है शाम को कहीं जाना है मुझे अकेले तो देखते हैं अगर जाते हैं कि नहीं बट यस भाई बस हो गया चाय कॉफी खाएंगे पिएंगे you are the Totoya of my life thank you Totoya for everything fist bump Totoya